Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to remove a Toyota Corolla steering wheel. Before starting, always prioritize safety. First, disconnect the negative battery terminal and wait at least 10 minutes. This crucial step prevents accidental airbag deployment, which can be very dangerous. Also, make sure your steering wheel is perfectly centered and the front wheels are straight. This helps with reinstallation later. Now, let's move on to safely disconnecting the airbag module. You'll find two small access holes, usually on the sides of the steering wheel. Using a small flathead screwdriver, carefully push into these holes to release the retaining clips. Once both sides are unclipped, gently pull the airbag module forward. Then, disconnect the 2 or 3 electrical connectors from the back of the airbag unit. With the airbag safely out of the way, the next step is to remove the main steering wheel nut. This is typically a 21mm nut located in the center. Use a ratchet and an extension to loosen it, but do not remove it completely just yet. Leave it threaded on by a few turns. This prevents the wheel from flying off when you break it free. Mark the wheel and shaft for proper alignment. After loosening the wheel, you can now fully remove the center nut. Carefully pull the steering wheel straight off the shaft, being mindful of the clock spring directly behind it. Avoid rotating the clock spring. When reinstalling, align your marks, push the wheel on, and tighten the center nut to 37 foot-pounds. Reconnect the airbag, then the battery, and you're all set.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.